Are there really any pagans still out there? The answer may surprise you.
Today, there are anywhere from 50 to 100,000 believers of Wicca in the U.S., which includes the practice of witchcraft.
With human sacrifice, real-life paganism in America.
Al-Shifai, on fire kun. Once again, back at it. Anti-paganism. Hovering in dark space with a light glow like a UFO. Yeah, there I go. Or shoveling snow on the surface of the earth, place of birth. Yeah, shift, there I go. My sickness speaks finally against the 666. Eternally fighting Diablo. However, forever soldier like G.I. Joe. Shift pumpkin, whoever told you he lied though. I'm dunking on falsehood face with real force, yo. Dominating altercations like a boss, yo. Do they like to hear the truth? No, of course, bro. Instead they ridicule like Noah's Ark, bro. Laugh till they nostrils frowning on the flood. Escape, wish they could confess to their faith, then man, that's absurd. I bet they wish they had wings, fly like a bird. It doesn't take a nerd to know a lot of master is not to be tested. Fool be rejected, fool be detested, arrested by the forces of nature. Yeah, that's the army of the majestic. Wrongdoers and sinners like snakes in the grass, but not enough worthy to be the snake in Moses' stick against Pharaoh. Even as a snake, you won't be a pig. Your genes too sick. Under hit, you fold like plastic. Panic when the situation gets drastic. Fear is foldable, manageable like elastic. So when the jihad is on, you laying in the casket. Skills past perfect, you gon' feel the effect. To Allah we came, to Allah we shall return. Fear no one, no man, no G. Hear me, so hell with your technology, your mythology. Let me hear you holler G. I bomb on paganism with no apology. Your mythology, let me hear you holler G. I bomb on paganism with no apology. Your mythology, let me hear you holler G. I bomb on paganism with no apology. Your mythology, let me hear you holler G. I bomb on paganism with no apology. Yeah. Al-Shifa. Lyrics are eternal, for religion is forever. Anti-paganism, one God, forever.
Any spell they cast will come back to them threefold. In other words, it's just better to be good.
Al-Shifa. Yeah.
When you see the leaves falling off the trees, it's to mark a new season. Rain falling from the sky, earth inhabitants, there's your provision. New moon that you might know the number of years is the reason. It's all about the count of time. Yeah. As the word turns, mad lessons we learn. Like to each and every one his turn. But some in a hurry to earn. If it ain't about money, they're not concerned. Don't even bother talking about religion. Just like fire seems to be a subject that burns. We inspire, leave the matter or leave ocean. Worship none other than the mighty one. Brother, nothing but the truth I'm speaking in the booth. Words get loose, watch shift get used. Not a rapper, more like a militant. Marching for the pips, not for the government. Listen to them, listen to me, one in a million. Recite timeless scripture forever relevant. They make it seem like being preached and thing. Warning neighbors from a danger, what's more important? When you see the leaves falling off the trees, it's to mark a new season. Rain falling from the sky, earth inhabitants, there's your provision. New moon that you might know the number of years is the reason. It's all about the count of time. Focus shine bright like the sun. Make a sunny day, give us fun. Bad boy, where you gon' run? When them come for you with them big guns. No choice but to shoot back. But first they want, don't blow your chances. Why put yourself in such circumstances? Life fancies ain't really worth it. Whatever you're trying to do, somebody does it. Why brag, trust you ain't perfect. Vivid design, paint picture perfect. 4 years this style, yeah, we lost it. Hard rehearsed it, no wonder it's so sick. They all shake when the live one arrive. Just like fishes on rhythm we dive. Positive vibes to keep minds alive.
When you see the leaves falling off the trees, it's to mark a new season. Rain falling from the sky, earth inhabitants, there's your provision. New moon that you might know, the number of years is the reason. It's all about the count of time. Count of time. Al-Shifa.
Sticky Rhymes, what's up?
Yeah.
Abbas.
Once again, I ain't like none of y'all. I'ma say it out loud. Terrorizing the rap game.
Time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses.
It's time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses.
Time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses.
Time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses. I respect the mosque, I respect churches, synagogue, curses, mafia of East. It's hard doing what I just does, since causing the whole summer sick thoughts. We get post on Babylon shit lists. Diallo, the cop, not a publicity. A propaganda, a mafiana. His cross pants 50 doses, plus by the by. He who dressed up the harsh. My sections, bagage, make those streets. 006 master heist. Come on, that's this rhyme, that's these bars. Passport got me throwing, who be helpless now. I see the press nervous, both wrists must bust. Then reload, make the whole cosmos curious. I'm the last of the dawn, consider ya warned. This dude, 006 was born as they was being hushed. He rose from the dust, quickly fixed. Bubble those skills from the Dutch. My holy God touched the bush to help ditch me. I see the way they lie on TV, got my peeps full rules, showing idols where it's most vital. Hit his soul, kill the kids, ignore idols. I choose this way of yours. Stevie and the media both control with eyes closed. Y'all can miss me, G. I speak equity against iniquity. Molly shot the sheriff, I'ma take care of the deputy.
It's time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses.
It's time you witness the knowledge of this young God.
I don't rap, I recite these verses. Al-Shifa, once again talking to the children of Adam, that is. Yeah. I came by to inform you there's a holy book that leads from the darkness to the light. Tell them I came by to tell you Judgment Day is all real, so children work right. I came by that you may take heed unto day what once was night. Yes, my people, from another seashore, I heard your voice crying out loud from a deep hole. Cries of distress and hopelessness. There's hope in the mighty, so answer ye the call. Children of Adam, I'm talking to you all. Your present life shall be your rise or your fall. Did you spend your wealth in the mighty, or did you borrow?
headaches, Tylenol, all you can recall. The stress and the grief, go see a soul dodge and escape hellfire. Courtesy of the most gracious higher, makes me feel some kind of relief. Children, I'm begging, yeah, this life is too brief. My Lord didn't create all of this for none. When they say he do just stars, no they ain't front. That's why I couldn't keep going. I had to look back, tell you that I came by to inform you there's a holy book that leads from the darkness to the light. From the darkness to the light. I came by to tell you Judgment Day is all real, so children work right. I came by that you may take heed unto take what once was night. Once was night. If you talking about some real stuff, man. What? Yo, what do I gain lying about this? Maybe I buy my records, well I give them out for free. Slash check the MySpace, Al-Shifai lyrics. Yeah, they study that. Son, you ain't ready black, you just heard about hell, but it's agony, trust me. You don't want none of that. Hotter than hot osh. Prepare for those that are gauche. It's a fire that burns, man, for the deeds they've earned. Before we ever get to that, I'd rather you learn. 1-800 I care. Your wealth you should share with orphans and kindred. I'm so sincere. Unfortunately, this roof most men are unaware of. I came by to inform you there's a holy book that leads from the darkness to the light. From the darkness to the light. I came by to tell you Judgment Day is all real, so children work right. I came by that you may take heed unto take what once was night. It's your servant Shifa, again on that microphone. Engineer press record first bison. Rhyme start hit hard, just like Tyson. Hyper gut move left, right, then I swing. Slam revolution, the name of the click steel. Warriors ready, cause coverage is steady. Humming as we march on the way to war. Inheritance from our African ancestors. Leaves of trees, your diseases and extras. Might sound extraterrestrial, but hearts are cold. Winter icy, thank God we determined. Righteousness yearning. Watch how we advance, crush our enemies. Soon after that, witness the end of these. Invest in the hereafter, that's the best of peace. It don't matter, tabernacle, mosque, iglesia. What you call church, in truth, children, all of these are similes. But the divided conquered, wait till it gets seized. I came by to inform you there's a holy book that leads from the darkness to the light. From the darkness to the light. I came by to tell you Judgment Day is all real, so children work right. I came by that you may take heed unto take what once was night. Once was night. Yo, every living thing on earth must die. If your mama gave birth, then that soul must fly. Don't ask I why we gotta die, only the Lord knows this. That be my reply. Curious kind of guy, I stick to minding my bees. G's, been wise since the 90s. Think you can escape death, then apply please. Good luck bribing the angels with cheese. Cause sins then become fees. Unpayable, money unacceptable. Skeptical, then wait and see when it's time to go. Brisk past the book, let them show me Ray Geronimo, almighty Pharaoh. History city all gone. Flew past the ozone, double check goes on. Dig the earth, but I bet you find more bones of kings and queens. Check the web, log on neighbor, and you'll find out they were right here, working on the same turf you are now working on. Al-Shifai.com. Anti-paganism. Al-Shifa, Senegal, Dakar. Yeah, what's up? The mixtape 2011 by the grace of the Almighty. Eye of Horus, red carpets, checkerboard floors, mass hypnosis. The gap between what's really going on and what they say is going on enormous. They use the TV to gradually indoctrinate your mind. A deep culture of materialism. The purpose being building a secular world. Your life is a test, not an easy one, bro. Hollywood, the dream machine, keeps them warning to achieve what illusions, dedicating your life to falsehood, my nation. Let me tell you, that is indeed a great deception. As I proceed, yes, you may ask questions, they in it for the greed. Me, I teach lessons useful to adults as well as adolescents. Lost sweat and tears, wonder if they'll ever listen. Yeah, hold on a second. Let your mind readjust and analyze and digest the heaviness of these words. Your hate of Muslims is a direct result of an orchestrated, elaborate design to isolate, subdue, control your mind. Freedom of speech, opinions for everybody, but your opinions about religions are out of line. Count to 9 to get to 10, you need to read the signs. You don't have a religion, guess what that makes thee? An unbeliever, one who rejected the mighty. Cause you passed by the scripture and ignored it. Brand without a roof, times goes like poof. Look around, turn around, 360 degrees. Did you see any flaws in your vision, please? No. Did you really think Allah created all of these stars, moon, skies, just so you can have fun?
No.
Ball out, kill people, care for none.
No.
All kind of wrongdoings and somehow we done. When death arrive and the angels strive, your soul to the final abode. Heaven or hell, the ladder rocks your boat, and we ain't inventing nothing. This is just a quote from the Holy Scripture. Prophets came to teach you, describe judgment day, paint a perfect picture. Hope the proof will hit you and all those with you, and feel free to wear it if the top fits ya. We preach ya of that holy literature. I ain't chillin' with ya, cause in truth we all see a light. You seek the signs of planes, me I seek the light. Yeah, you value things, but us we seek the heights.
Well, here's a part of that I can never understand, that has never made sense to me, and that is, if somebody were to make a pact with the devil, obviously the implication is if the devil is there to make pact with them, make their life, their short mortal life on earth, pleasurable, with money or women or whatever it is they want, then they are aware of the presence of the devil, and they are obviously aware then of the presence of God as well, and they nevertheless make a conscious, stupid, short-term, blind choice to take what they can get in this lifetime. And to embrace one, you must embrace the other.
Religious persecution of his followers.
Hundreds of Ahmadis have been punished, persecuted, prosecuted, dragged in the streets by the police, beaten up, just for the crime that they declared this kalima, that fundamental article of Muslim faith, because they believed there is no God but one. They believed in the truth of the Holy Prophet of Islam, and this is a crime.
They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. Hostilities worsen after 9/11. Victims of Islamophobia. The press fabricate, distort, exaggerate stories about Muslims. Yes, some like hate, some they would never do with the others. Press from a local story about mindless vandalism into a literal page one splash about Muslims. Hey, I discussed this with other people, but I was met with blank incomprehension. Did I mention he wasn't doing this? Come on, pay attention. Regain angry fists at the way they singled out a small minority with false accusations, with abuse. Muslims are all put under one umbrella because of how people feel about them. They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. All perceived the current environment with terrorism and bombing. It's alarming, all about timing. Don't mind my deepness, I'm just rhyming. Negative coverage of the facts could never make no problem relax. My people cannot unite. Very much to their enemies did lie. Is there any other shining light? And if so, doesn't even make it right. Recognize or not, there's only one might. The uppercase letters, yeah, the reader. Persecution, worse than slaughter. Anarchy in the minor man disorder gets broader, just the first quarter. Female suicide bombers, martyrs.
They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. They persecuted me for my identity. It didn't have nothing to do with colors, black or white. Can't let it be, would be insanity. That's why we're screaming out loud, we Muslim G's. Got a steak, then bake the cake. Shift a different make, rap for the Lord's sake. Struve syndicate, it's up to no debate. Shift vice, error, just know the date. You ain't gotta wait no more. We done touched the floor, bringing it to you raw. Ladies and gentlemen, with honor I present someone who chose the higher truth to represent. Again and again, say he wouldn't bend, wouldn't amend. From making demands for Sean Bell and Diallo, I demand justice. For all the battles and wars, I demand peace. Give a hand kiss, consensus, common terms, whatever is right for your senses. This immense, this something like Atlantis, still undiscovered, that's why I said this. I'm a master, no more an apprentice. I'm in the Memphis state of mind, cause arming up is this black man's fist. Need I repeat this? My rhymes is bliss, I fight against iblis. Bitch made neighbors, no, excuse me, rich made neighbors, cause most of them is rich made neighbors. For worldly things, ya soul neighbors. Fuck it, that subject right there an hour later, cause it shall taste like a sour gator, or better yet a sour data. That's how the paper got you annihilated, consumed by an hour later. By a fire piercer, it's safe as fire. By a fire piercer, burning, kindled by the angels, executing the commands of a power greater. Y'all can sleep all y'all want, but the truth shall always come to the light. Al-Shifa, they servant of the Most High. Let's go. I suppose you know shift, or is it that you just think you know shift? I barely know myself, B. I surprise myself daily, honestly. Wash my sick love for the fushnicks. The fire like waves, I must be deep like the ocean. Shout out to the whole sea. A flawless cosmos got to blow mine. Who is the designer of this magnificence? I shouldn't meditate, then it all makes sense. All the things we once did know was erased. Unemployed just doesn't work. Well, I'm the eyes that cry, the oppressed, so hopeless, the lonely, the deprived, the helpless. To 6 fees, dreaming of a better life, cause of the fake things they put on the TV. Yeah, they do. He ain't in order, since he came over. Grief jumped from nowhere to camp over. Proper burn rubber, stinky aroma, sinking in probably a pipe must have bust. Water gush, a lot of times a gush water bust to fulfill ice and hush up the lust. The experience, the light, and then ya glow. The test of life ends with the yippee-yi-yo. If you do things rightly, your vision is clear, you see things nicely. Like King, there's a place for bling bling. We hoping for Eden, a holy place to sing. For a mighty king, the true Lord of the ring. Lord, the peace that you bring, in ears let it ring. Let them think whatever they wanna think. The truth engraved on stone, something like I am he. Who are you? Who are you? I am he, Al-Shifa, servant of the Most High. I am he, Al-Shifa. Who are you? Who are you? I am he, Al-Shifa, servant of the Most High. I am he.
Who are you? Who are you? I am he, Al-Shifa, servant of the Most High. I am he. Who are you? Who are you? I am he, Al-Shifa, servant of the Most High. I am he. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Yeah, me. Who are you? Who are you?
Al-Shifa.
Who are you? Who are you?
Al-Shifa. Al-Shifa. Al-Shifa.
Al-Shifa.
You better stop fooling if you want to get along with me.
Yeah, you better do.
We grew up on the block and we know about poverty.
Get 'em,
So,
Chip.
As low as I flow, voice loud like a blow from a trumpet. Life in the ghetto, lock off sunset. See wild cats that ain't no pets. Stomach upset, get desperate, get what? Whatever you can get. Life in the motherland's what you just met. Life that I represent's far from perfect. Thank God solidarity makes it perfect. Poverty is forgiven, cause social life's a given. But still, human rights, government neglect. I blame the West for keeping the third world in debt. Bomb on your policies, bomb on your anatomy. Yeah, 20 Saddam is what you bound to see. To every wicked system, she feels an enemy. You ain't the son of Adam, you ain't the kin of me. Disrespecting your mom from which you came to be. Calling insanity a product of liberty. Cause through these bars, finally we free. Yeah, you screw these stars, turn them enemies. But not me, a spitting image of you. I don't like to curse, but gotta say fuck you. Gun buck you, turn it into duck you. Perverted the whole world, it bucks you. Yo, I hope you fly, yo. You hope we die, we multiply, yo. Eyes lids were open back to low, but they still not closed though. That means we see every little thing. I'm watching.
DJ Ready Real.
Warn the children,
He who loves
if indeed you love them, because he who loves warns. Al-Shifa.
warn the children.
He
If
who
indeed you love them.
warns. Grandpa used to tell me he who love warns. He who wants
the
love,
children,
he
if
who
indeed
love
you love
wants. Grandpa used to tell me he who love wants. He who
Warn the
wants
children,
love,
if
he who
indeed you
love
love 'em.
wants. Grandpa used to tell me he who love wants. He who
Warn the
wants
children.
love, he who love wants. Grandpa used to tell me he who love wants. Be glad you are unknown, for when you're known, you would wish you were. The lizard doesn't eat chilies for the frog to sweat. Wherever it gets to, corrections cannot reach. Got a stone but didn't get a nut to crack, or got a nut but didn't get a stone to crack with. You don't need light to see someone you know intimately at night. So many little things make a man love a woman in a big way. Day after day, they learn to listen to what the other had to say. But I constantly say do good because of tomorrow. There's a price to pay. Misery house is there. He who climbs a good tree always gets a push. Him who is doing the pushing has in mind the fruits. If you notice your neighbor's beard on fire, then you better get some water by yours. If nakedness promises you a clause, then you better get his or her name. Chase not fame, shift not same. If a dog jumps around in the daytime, it is either chasing some or some is chasing it. These are really big rhymes. wiser than Frankenstein. The diction more than fine, prestigious design.
Warn the children, if indeed you love them.
Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants. He who wants love, he who love wants. Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants. He who wants love, he who love wants. Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants. He who wants love, he who love wants. Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants.
A bird that flies from the ground unto an anthill still doesn't know it's still very much on the ground. Ayo, why summer, it's real, it's real. You know the deal. I'm spending someday, gotta feel. Worship Allah, get on your knees and kneel. Be very careful with them, I will. Until Him the mighty send the bill. And it's too late, trust me some is. Warn the children, if indeed you love them.
Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants. He who
warn the children, if indeed you love them.
Grandpa used to tell me, he who love wants.
Warn the children, if indeed you love them.
You see, I tell you, my mind doesn't work that way. I got this real moron thing I do. It's called thinking. And I'm not a very good American because I like to form my own opinions. I don't just roll over when I'm told to. Sad to say, most Americans just roll over on command. Not me. I have certain rules I live by. My first rule, I don't believe anything the government tells me. Nothing.
Al-Shifa. Al-Shifa. Perfect vision, I see with precision the flow that glisten from the sunset through all essence. Haven't you learned your lessons? This is masterpiece straight from the essence, and I do count my blessings. Any more questions? What's beyond the sky, the stars, the galaxy? Since it is something you gotta see. Before that, there's a good way you gotta be. In reality, it's a goal we can all achieve, but only with the help of the master. You know there's such things as disasters, so we get on our deed and do it faster. Learn to see beyond materialistic things. Hearts got eyes, visualize in your mind eyes. Sprinkle moderate imagination, then synchronize. You would see there's more to life than meet the eyes. Brothers realize, heaven is the prize. Eternal home, what a great surprise. Let me tell you some, don't let them hypnotize your vision, your mind, things to prioritize. These deceptions, nothing but lies. The media, the way they keep control, yeah. Watch how the story unfolds. Generations of past they've been told. Guess rebellion is a kinfolk of mankind ever since time. Since the time of Prophet Adam, may peace be upon him. Same children of Adam we warning. Wake up and rise before the morning. You're still yawning, still clowning, but there's a day when hearts will be pounding. Nowhere to escape unfamiliar surroundings. Familiar faces, different races. Each and everyone shall pledge for his cases. Sins shall be pricey though they were free. Those who used to disbelieve shall see the mighty. It ain't a joke be, it ain't a joke be. Wrong to was thrown in the bottomless pit, along with their predecessors. I mean their ancestors, prior generations, previous civilizations. Check this, all this you see around the mighty of practice. It's only right when it's wrong, he correct it, and I respect it. These people know they know the holy law, abiding by been hectic. Evil magnetic, give a slave credit. Your mercy could give a soul more than he merit. Al-Shifa, just reminiscing the good old days. Have you ever had a good friend? Yeah, I had good friends. The one that would ride to the end. 100% real, good man. Chemistry just clicked, you just knew, man. My man Joe met him in school back then. Before the rap band, homie, what's happening? My man Mo met him in the streets hustling. Shaka my homie, also a schoolmate. Jigga, we grew up together. You and my man Shaq, y'all are all brothers. The team was so great. We were just young kids running round high rate, implementing a new lifestyle. Vibrate the whole city with a new style and migrate. Slam revolution was the name of the clique. Soon as we hit, it was embraced by the public. Don't forget, hip hop was still new to the public. A new state of mind, a new brand republic. Be among the first, probably what made us legit. And I can proudly say, somewhere in the motherland is hip hop. Consequence from the cause, we part of it. All modesty aside, nigga, we were the shit. We were rocking at the time, Chris Cross was rocking. That's a fact, red man, naughty by nature. When I say rock, I ain't mad. Rock is a fan, I'm mad. Rock on stage, 10,000 pips. Grab the mic and shake 5,000 hips. Hip hop, hooray! That was the day. Remember how the crowd went so badistic? They were like, hey DJ, play that Onyx record like Slab. Da 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 da. Let the boys be boys, young boys, but the mic was our toy of choice. Joy oh joy, the favorite crew in the schoolyard. Regular, but when shows happen, we'll be the stars. Used to hit them with ball, leave them in ooh and ah. Somehow we knew how to move a crowd with no guitar. Hit them with playing rhythm, make real whatever you give them. Fans, we are with them, girls get them, leave them. That they're unforgettable, never forgotten. It's like something in hip hop, push my button. Whatever it was, cause tell you it was pleasant. Time was of the essence. I'm still counting my blessings and learn many lessons. Get answers to questions in those so-called sessions. I'm just reminiscing. Last move, cause we all got nothing to prove. Running around like headless chickens. Jigga, remember how I used to be crazy about fush niggas? Back then, Club Metro was banging. And that's where we used to be hanging. No protest, we used to vibe in the car like it's the US. When it comes to hip hop, we African pioneers. Sometimes I can't help to think we are higher there. Higher like the work of some higher power there. In my thoughts, I get stuck for an hour there. Positive black soul, what a legendary crew. Rap gods and forever owes it to you. Give respect where respect is due. African, you fool.